Hi everyone and welcome back to today's morning report with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Handtech Markets for Wednesday the 4th of June. I'm going to move on to Eurodollar now, and yesterday with that inflation data that we saw out of the Eurozone, it was a bit of an instance of sell on rumour, buy on fact, where the data came in under expectations, but to be honest, much of the move had been baked in, and the euro found a bit of support and got bought into. This has now taken on a bit of a consolidation look about it in the last few days. We're just forming it's around about a 60 pip range between the low at 35.84 and 36.50 there or thereabouts. And it just looks like we're consolidating in front of this crucial ECB announcement that's going to happen tomorrow at 12:45 UK time in the afternoon. And in front of that, I don't expect the euro to be breaking any key supports or moving above that 65.50 level. So it could be a fairly choppy bit of trading in the next day and a half for the euro. But you would say that selling into strength is still probably the way to play the euro. Momentum indicators are all in negative configuration across the board there. Nothing majorly to get excited about in terms of reversal signals, although the MACD lines are beginning to bottom out, you could argue, but certainly nothing to get overly worked up about. On the intraday chart, you did have the prospect of a possible double bottom base pattern that I know people were talking about yesterday. 36.50 was the high that it needed to breach. It didn't do that. 36.47 it turned back from and has subsequently fallen away again. So I just think that this still has an air of selling into strength. You've got this sequence of consistent lower highs on the euro, and it's showing no real signs of a recovery. Just I think that this is a bit of a consolidation phase that we're seeing at the moment, and I think that's going to happen until the ECB the ECB monetary policy decision on tomorrow afternoon. And at which stage we'll have to get a reassessment of how this euro is trading. But until then, I think it could be a fairly choppy bit of trading. My preference, as I said, is for selling into strength. As I mean, just looking at the longer term chart, you've broken that big uptrend there. And also you've got this big double top pattern in place here, which broke below 36.70 as the neckline resistance, which remains in place. And I think all these suggest that we're going to be coming back for a further downside test of 34.75. The ultimate target of that double top pattern is 33.75. So I just think that any sort of rallies that we do get it should be seen as a chance to sell on euro. Anyway, that's my outlook, and I wish you good luck in your trading on euro, and I will speak to you later. Thank you.